Now that the post is executed successfully, we can assign that to a deposit. There are no deposits in existence at this time, so we can actually create our own check deposit. We designate what bank the deposit will be for, and we hit OK. That creates a check deposit in the system, and we can head over to the payment monitor to confirm that. We click on Payment Management, Check Deposits. Here we can click on the gear icon and release and print the deposit slip. Once that deposit is printed, you can take it to your bank to complete the order to cash process.